Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare your slide using Canva design. So, how do we get to Canva? As usual, just right there on your PC, canva.com. If you are using your phone, just go to your Play Store, download canva.com. I have actually done a lot with Canva, and I think I should share this video with you on how to use Canva as your to prepare your slide in your classroom as an alternative to Microsoft Word. I have actually found this very interesting, and I've used it so far for a very long time, and it has been very interesting. So how do you do that? You click on create, then you go to presentation. So when you get to presentation, very easy, just give it a title. This is my next classroom decoration workshop. So I'm actually preparing this slide for my classroom decoration workshop. The purpose of this writing name is for you to be able to have a direct way of getting a file when it is time you actually want to use them. So it is very important that you do that. So they have a lot of options for you the moment there are a lot of infographics, so I'm going to teach you how to go about that. So the first thing, let me copy this, and let me see whether I can also teach you how to create something like this. My first page. So this is going to be my first page. Easy. So the title is Design in Alignment with Learning Outcome, and it is the Welcome Back to School edition. So I have a video on how I created this, my image. Check all my videos on Canva. You see how I created that. I created it a long time ago during COVID, and you need to go and learn how to create this. That means removing this. Yes, very easy, and we find it interesting. The next one, let me add my name. How do you look for shapes? Just go to shapes. I type shapes under element, and I want to type my name over here. I think the best thing to do is to let me overlap it at the back of this image. So position backward 1 2. Okay, it's at the back. Okay, then I think this is not bad. I wanted to add my name. What I will do is I will need to make this go up a little bit. Then I can now write my name. Copy and paste. By Odetola, Ebenezer. Yes. So presented by Odetola Ebenezer Israel. Centralized. Changing the font so that it will look different to the other one on top. Change it to something tiny and cool. There are a lot of fonts for you there on Canva, and then I think I'll need to make it lowercase. And I like this this font called Code Pro. I like it, very nice. But I think it's too bold, so I make it. It's bold. Let me look for a tiny. Let me just take my time to look for a tiny one. Looking for a tiny. Yeah, I think this is tiny enough. Okay, so centralized. So how will I? Although I'm not done with that, let me just the next slide. The next one, I click on the plus, so I can come over here I'll come to the word template and write infographics. Infographics. So they have a lot of infographics for you. Check out this. They have about 10 under this, and you can easily use any of these. I think the next one is for me to talk about myself. So okay, let me create it now. I think I don't have that on my template for. Okay, talking about myself, how can I do that? Okay, then I will now use this image. I'm using their templates. I don't like black. Let me use I think the theme for this class is this color. I must repeat this color almost several times. Yes, and this. Okay, I'm going to use this to introduce myself. I'm going to upload. There are some pictures that I have already uploaded. I think let me see, dragging this now okay, not bad. Then let me look for one of my favorite picture. Let me just go to my let me check some of my Canva design. This is the one I use for my lecture every time, and there's one of my funny official picture that I would like to use. Canva design is quite very easy to use. You just only need to use your creativity in arrangement to get it done. So I enjoy it, and I think you should also embrace Canva design. Every teacher needs to know how to use these tools. Likewise, everybody out there. So I don't know why is it taking time to load. Okay, so I'm copying this picture. Better. Let's see where it's going to drop. Okay, that means this picture has to be this. I don't like this again. Edit image. So okay. Okay, making it darker. Yeah. Okay, I can duplicate this picture. I like to duplicate it. 1, 2. Okay, this one I'm going to go to effect again. And there are a lot of stuff they've actually added to Canva under the effect. I'm seeing some new pictures here. So I'm going to photogenic, and I'm going to be making it look different. So let me use brow tone. This is where I'm coming. Yes, I'll make these exactly like this, bigger, and this will now come as the shadow. Yep. So I've created okay, then I will now talk about myself. So if I click on present, what exactly will happen? Or let me first click on animation and give it the kind of animation I want. Is good? Is you like this? Do you want it like this when you start? Do you want it like this? Do you want it to be a slow moving train? I think I like this. Why the second one? Now, I like the one that will shift left and right. I think this is fine. So let's start. Present. So when you get to present, just click on standard is fine. That means you want to be in charge. Okay, then click on present. Then it will show on full screen. So next slide. First slide. The next slide. This is how it's going to happen. Looking like magic. The first slide. The second slide. So this is nice. So imagine I have several slides. Let me show you the one that has several slides. This is the one before. Imagine I'm using this. So I click on present. Okay, I think no animation on this at all. Let me add animation to each of them. Animation, this, animation. This, I think I like this for animation. This. Let me present from the first one. Okay, the first one. The second one. That is how it's going to be. So this is nice. I'd like you to give it a try. Let me show you another one. The one I've done before. I click on present, standard, and I start my presentation. This is what I like about this. It actually goes in form of animation, and the children will enjoy what they are seeing on the screen. This is nice. How do you see this? So this is what I'm talking about. You need to give it a try in your school, in your classroom. And let me show you one thing about it. If you press Ctrl D, or not Ctrl D, just press D, there'll be drum, bang, 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 it's a sound. Then you stop it. When you also press P, then you press C, it will congratulate them. Congratulate, and that is nice. When you press Q, you tell them to keep quiet. When you press S, nothing S, W, nothing, E, W, nothing, R, nothing, T, nothing, Y, U. Let's try all the keys. Okay, bubbles. O for, let's see which one is bringing the bubbles. I think that should be the, I don't know the one that is bringing the bubbles. Let me go and retry the one exactly bringing the bubbles. I have interest in it. P. Pointer. Okay. A. S. Drum. Okay. F. Nothing F. G. H. J. K. L. M. N. B. B for, okay, B will make it blur. So I don't want them to see it, I will make it blur. B. C for congratulations, we are done with the slide. And I have one more, let me see, X and Z. So the function 1, Q, quiet. O for bubbles. C for congratulation. D for drum. Pointer. I think that one is normal and more. So give it a try. It is canva.com. Just go to your Google and press canva.com, and then you get it done. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Thank you.